Which of the following statements made regarding optical instruments under normal adjustment is not true? First statement, in a simple microscope, the image of the object is virtual. Just we know that we can't get the image of a simple microscope, it means hand lens, into a screen. Therefore, it is a virtual image. It is correct. We have to find the incorrect statement. Then second statement, when reading small letters using simple microscope, a short-sighted person has an advantage over long-sighted person. No, it is false. When using instruments, optical instruments, we can adjust the final image at the proper point to see. Therefore, it is not depending on eye. It is false. Then incorrect statement is second one. Answer should be 2. Number 12. Magnifying power of a compound microscope in normal adjustment is 100. The focal length of objective lens is 2.5 centimeters and object distance is 2.6 centimeters. What is the magnification of eyepiece? I will get the magnification of objective lens by using object distance, because of they have given object distance. Then we can get for the objective lens, it should form an image like this. This distance is object distance, this one is image distance for the objective lens. Then we can use lens formula, 1 over V minus 1 over U equals 1 over S. Then I will use sign convention. U value is plus, V value is minus, focal length is minus because of it is a convex lens. Then I will opposite mark of all terms, 1 over V plus 1 over U equals 1 over S. Then I will multiply all terms by U. Then U over V plus U over U is 1 equals U over S. This one is 1 over magnification, linear magnification of the objective lens. It should be equals to U over S minus 1. Then I will subject linear magnification of objective lens. I will consider it as MO, 1 over U over S minus 1. Then I will substitute values, 1 over, object distance is given as 1.6, focal length is 2.6 and 2.5, minus 1. Then we can simplify it, 1 over 2.6 divided by 2.5 means 26 divided by 25, 1 remaining, 10 divided by 25, 0, 100 divided by 25, 4, minus 1. Then we can get magnification of objective lens. This value 0.04, 1 divided by 0.04 means 100 divided by 4, 25. We know that angular magnification is magnification of objective lens, linear magnification of objective lens multiplied by linear magnification of eyepiece lens. Now they have given magnification, magnified power is 100. We know that MO value is 25. Then we have to find ME. ME should be 4. Then answer is 1. Consider the following statements about an astronomical telescope and a compound microscope. Statement A. The focal length of objective lens, astronomical telescope large, compound microscope is small. Now it is false. We know that we can make astronomical telescope using a small objective lens. No, it is correct. In microscope objective length should be small. Telescope objective length should be, focal length of objective length should be a greater value. It is correct. Statement B, the final image at normal adjustment, astronomical telescope at infinity, it is correct. But microscope at infinity is false, then statement B is false. The total angular magnification less than 1, greater than 1, no, we can obtain always a greater than 1 value. Then it also false, answer should be 1.